There are trends in fashion, in interior design and landscape, but people rarely talk about trends in gardening. So today I would like to discuss 4 garden trends for 2022. Every year, color institutes pick a color of the year, and for 2022, the Color Institute Pantone picked the color Very Peri as the color of the year. And it's basically a color of common periwinkle, which is not so popular garden flower, but if you haven't tried it yet, you should plant it. It's a very low-growing, creeping flower that blooms in the spring. Another flower that has a similar color is forget-me-not. According to Pinterest, forget-me-nots had a ton of research volume in the past few months, and it looks like the search is on a rise. People are more and more interested in this humble but so beautiful flower. I love growing forget-me-nots in my garden. They are great as cut flowers and so easy to grow. Give them a try this year. Another great trend that is happening right now is bright colors in the garden. Seeing colors is so therapeutic, especially after dark and long winter. So start thinking now what color combinations you want to see in your garden this year. Mixing several different colors together in one spot gives it that cottage garden feel, which is also a very popular trend right now. But monochromatic traditional landscape garden is also on a rise, as long as it has bold, bright color like yellow, orange, or red. Did you know that yellow is an antidepressant color? Yes, go plant some yellow tulips or other type of flowers, and you will always have a great mood. In the past couple of years, Dahlias made a great, huge comeback. It became an Instagram star all of a sudden. If you just type in #flower, you'll see Dahlias the most. They are almost competing with roses, who is the star of the flower kingdom. And no wonder why. They are so picture perfect. They are easy to grow, bloom all summer long, all the way into fall. They're also great pollinator flowers. And the last trend I would like to talk about is year-round gardening. More and more people are turning to some ways of extending their growing season. Some people use hydroponic systems in order to grow food indoors all year round. Others are trying to use grow lights to start seedlings inside. You can also extend your gardening season by using cold frames, small greenhouses that you can build yourself, or hoop houses and low tunnels. There was a huge jump in sales in the past 2 years for all of these season extenders. More and more people are learning how to garden. They're trying to grow their own food, which makes me as the gardener very happy, and I'm willing to help anyone who wants to learn gardening. On my channel, I have a playlist called Beginner Gardening, where you can find all kinds of advice on how to start your own garden. You can click on the link on top to watch that playlist. I'm also working on a new playlist which will be called How to Grow Any Kind of Vegetable. I already did how to grow peas, and this week I'll be doing how to grow peppers. Thank you for watching. Happy gardening!